We're at NCM Motorsports Park in Bowling Green, Kentucky. We're here to do some autocross. Seems like every time I come here, I break something. So I'm gonna knock on wood if I can find any. I won't break anything this weekend. Also, my wife's running. She's in line right now in Mazdaspeed. So this will be her first time doing autocross. About to do my first autocross session. Hopefully I don't get lost. Well, the track doesn't look too bad. The cone layout's pretty self-explanatory. The way it looks anyway. I could be wrong. I'll probably mess it up once I get out though. We'll find out. Ashley's going back out. The one thing that sucks is we have to share the same helmet, so we can only go one at a time. Are you ready?
Yes.
To do race car things? Are you go fast this time?
I'll try to. A little bit faster.
Don't hit any cones.
I won't miss any gates this time.
This unicorn gives you +5 horsepower.
No, it gives me +5 unicorn power.
Unicorn power. Well, so far I've been running consistent about 36.1. I think my 33 was a fluke. I probably missed a gate or something, but no, I didn't know it.
So my times have consistently gone down because I just now finally did the whole course. I kept missing part of the course on accident. But you know, it is what it is. That was my very first autocross. So now I had to beat 48. So that's definitely attainable, I think.
This time I'm gonna give it a go in the Mazdaspeed. See if I'm faster or slower in this car compared to the 86. Hopefully it's slower. You get a Miata, you get a Miata, you get a Miata. There's some Miata over there too. Fishing up here at NCM Autocross. I think my best time was a 33.8. I was hanging around the 35s, 36s around there. But I started slowly chipping away, got down to the 33s.
Mine was a 39.68, I believe.
It's not bad considering you were staying in the 45s like forever. Like,
yeah.
Like stayed in the 45s. Then she started slowly going to 34, 33.
Yeah, it's like a second increase almost each time.
Until she dropped down to the 39. So.
Well, I got a lot more used to the track, and there were less people in line, so I got to go more often. So it was more fresh in my brain, and I was able to really push it more than I was. But it was my first time, so I started off timid. But you know, not a bad thing. I had a blast.
Yay!
Yay! It was awesome.
And now the cars need a break. They work hard today. It's hot. We gotta pack up and go home.
Bye!
So don't forget to subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram. And check out one of my other videos. Maybe this one. Or that one. Thanks for watching. Peace.